In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures today as they're realizing a fifth consecutive day of strength. We're seeing them up nicely today. And with today's price action, we are seeing natural gas futures now pushing up to an 8-month high. Currently 3.36 on the front month future. And that's the highest level since October of 2020. And I think when you look at some of the factors contributing to why we're seeing this continued strength in the energy sector, particularly today in the natural gas futures, supply and particularly supply chain disruptions appear to be feeding some of this upward momentum, as we are seeing some issues within the pipelines in the Southwest, and so there's a potential for those to persist a little bit longer than anticipated. Couple that with also just the shifting dynamics as we are seeing again the cooling aspect of the U.S. temperatures on the rise across much of the U.S., and so that's contributing to an expectation of increased demand. I think that's what kind of started this, but there are some supply chain issues out there, and particularly with certain pipelines, there's still some issues that they're contending with, and those two items, I think, are why we're seeing this continued upward momentum. Now, when you look at today's price action, it is interesting that if we do break above 3.40, that would basically be a 2.5-year high for natural gas futures. So we're pushing up right there currently. So it'll be interesting to see if we take out the highs from October. Also, WTI futures are pushing up to the highest level in 2.5 years as well. We did see them hit an intraday high above $71, now slipping back down and up slightly on the session. So basically unchanged day over day. But once again, between natural gas futures and WTI futures, we're seeing them pushing here and challenging what effectively could be 2.5-year highs.